From Princeton, New Jersey, we do exterior project at this house. We're going to replace part of the roof. This part of the roof that had a big hole that was damaging all the molding. As you see, the soffit on the top and the fascia board was completely rotted. Also, the plywood underneath the roof was completely damaged. So we're replacing the plywood underneath the roof, the shingles. We're installing new shingles, we're installing new gutter. All this is a brand new gutter. Also, in this project, we installed, this is apartment buildings. I think they've got here 8 apartments. It used to be 1 family. And also this part, this concrete, brand new concrete, we installed here last Saturday. Also, we will install this part of the risers. We're going to install brand new risers here. This concrete slab we installed brand new. It was had big, huge 2 cracks. It was hazard. Too dangerous was to work here. And the 8 apartments here that they're renting, so it was too dangerous. We installed brand new. And this riser is also damaged. We're going to install new risers on the step here. Today, if you see all this molding and roof. We're fixing probably 12 feet by 3 feet of roof. We already removed the shingles that was loose. We removed the plywood that was damaged, and we installed brand new plywood, brand new roof, and brand new gutters. You see 12 feet of copper gutter. So we did all that. Now the only thing that left is to install new soffit and new fascia board to complete this project. We did many projects inside in the apartment building. We did the floor installation, we did painting, trim installation. We did some drywall work that was damaged from the water inside this apartment over here. And we replaced some few boards on this deck. So yeah, this is the exterior project that we did. We did many projects inside. We will show you later the inside project. I'm here with the carpenters. Alex is the main carpenter here and the roofer. So we do some fascia board installation, soffit installation here in a big house in Princeton, apartment building. We install the roof, the gutters, the soffit, the fascia. So this is the team right now. They're ready to complete the project. All the roof materials already in the garbage bag, ready to haul away. We've got here the 5-star carpenters and roofers. Very happy, excellent workers, very happy clients. This is a saw. This is a chop saw. We're going to use this saw to install to cut the soffit and the fascia board. Yeah, it's a very powerful machine. We cut, sometimes we use wood, sometimes we use PVC materials. It depends what the client chooses. This is the perfect saw for outdoor work. If it's raining, we've got the tent, but today it's a beautiful day in Princeton. We're going to keep working. This machine probably around under $1,000, the table and the saw, $1,000, but it brings so much value, so we're very happy.